In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Vercel deployment public. By the end, you'll be able to share a specific deployment with anyone using a simple link, perfect for quick reviews, stakeholder sign-offs, or showing your work without adding collaborators to your project. First, open your browser and head to vercel.com. This will take you to the Vercel dashboard where your projects and their deployments live. If you manage multiple teams or organizations, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace so you're looking at the right set of projects. Next, click Deployments at the top left. This section is a timeline of every build Vercel has created for your projects, production releases, preview branches, and hotfixes. It's a good idea to glance at the status badges here and confirm the deployment you want is successful and ready to share. Now find the specific deployment you want to share and click it to open its details page. You can identify the right one by its commit message, branch name, timestamp, or the unique deployment URL that Vercel assigns. If you're targeting a particular environment, like a preview created from a pull request versus the production release, double-check the labels to avoid sharing the wrong version. Inside the deployment details, click Share. This opens a panel where you control who can view this deployment. You'll see an option labeled People with Access. Change this to publicly accessible. This setting means anyone with the link can open and view the deployed site without needing a Vercel account. It doesn't expose your source code or dashboard settings, just the running deployment that the link points to. Once you've set it to publicly accessible, click Copy Link. That copies the shareable deployment URL to your clipboard so you can paste it into a chat, email, or issue tracker. As a best practice, test the link in a private or incognito window to confirm it works for viewers who aren't signed in. If you ever need to stop public access, return to the same share panel and switch it back to a more restricted option. The old public link will no longer work for unauthenticated users. That's all you need to make a Vercel deployment public. Open the dashboard, go to Deployments, choose the deployment, hit Share, set it to publicly accessible, and copy the link. Keep this flow in mind when you want rapid feedback without changing your project's collaborator permissions or domain settings. Thanks for watching, and happy shipping.